Meet the Dyson V15 Detect, the most intelligent cordless vacuum on the market. While most vacuums just pick up what you see, this one actually shows you what you can't. Thanks to its laser dust detection, the V15 illuminates microscopic particles on hard floors that are normally invisible to the naked eye. But here's the real hidden advantage. The built-in Piezo sensor counts and measures dust particles in real time, automatically adjusting suction power based on how dirty your floor really is. That means maximum efficiency without wasting battery life. Speaking of power, the Dyson V15 delivers up to 60 minutes of fade-free cleaning with a high-capacity battery. And it comes with an advanced HEPA filtration system that captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. Translation: cleaner floors and cleaner air in your home. Lightweight, cordless, and smart enough to adapt as you clean, the Dyson V15 Detect isn't just a vacuum, it's a deep cleaning powerhouse for modern homes.